From the Union of India.
Yes.
Counsel for the respondent number 1 accepts notice on behalf of Kara as well. Full stop. A status report.
My lord,
Ash
we'll
response.
do whatever the requirement.
Just put it on record.
We'll do that, my lord. We'll put
response,
all
a short response be filed along with the necessary notification before the next date of hearing. List before the roster bench.
a small submission. Ministry of External Affairs has nothing to do with this matter, my lord, because
Counsel for the Union of India
delete.
respondent member states that Ministry of External Affairs has no role in this matter.
Yes, ma'am, because they're only
This
concerned with the
aspect shall
possibility.
also be considered on the next day.
Yes, ma'am.
Roster bench.
Sir, I would like to give my small submission here, sir.
Yes, you can.
The notification which they are referring, that is related to JJ Act. The JJ Act came into existence in 2000. My adoption has been done in 1996.
Okay.
We can-
Counsel for
Sir.
the petitioner states that the notification in question is under the JJ Act of 2015, whereas his adoption deed was in 1996, and it may strictly not apply.
And the said adoption
Sir,
was
everything
not
cannot be argued here. We are not deciding
Please,
the
sir.
matter. We are
Please, sir,
putting it.
please.
Why
Kindly
are
oblige.
you constraining yourself by putting?
My
No,
lord,
no,
we're
no,
just, I'm
it's okay,
trying
sir,
to assist my counsel that the adoption may
13
happen.
January.
Of course, everybody.
We're trying to-
Please, sir,
In
please, please.
any case, the gentleman is major now. We've recorded that here. This 9th date.
13 January.
ठीक है. Okay, roster bench.
9th January
So
Oblige,
great.
sir.
before roster bench. Exemption allow कर दी. Next item 9.
May I please, Your Lordship? So this is for extension, my lord. The
Surgery now.
today it is going on at this point of time. He is on a hospital, my lord.
एक second.
In verified.
Yes.
Lordship, last
We
time
have
we
no option.
verified the documents last time, and the honorable
The
court,
documents are there.
these are Lordship follow-up treatment and
Counter documents. Just say criminal MA 8 2025 application has been filed. Extension of parole granted by this court by order dated 6th December 2024. Full stop. By the said order, this court had granted parole for a period of 4 weeks. Date of release. Parole for a period of 4 weeks from the date of release on the ground that the petitioner's son, my aged about 13 years, had an ailment of congenital cyanotic heart disease taken from the last order. This is on PDF 55. Since birth and no successive surgical procedure. It is stated that the petitioner is scheduled to surrender on 5th January 2025. Stop. However, the surgery of the petitioner is now scheduled for
Today, my lord. Today.
is scheduled
Going on
for
right
today
now.
and is going on at this stage. As stated by counsel for the petitioner. Medical documents also be placed on record. View of these parole is extended period of another 4 weeks.
I'll make it
In
6
these
weeks.
exceptional
No, Lordship.
circumstances. Sorry, 6 weeks.
No, Lordship. One time, Lordship,
I know.
he can avail 4 weeks.
4 weeks. No? So
Maximum
that's why 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
But in these exceptional circumstances, it is extended for another 4 weeks.
Deeply. This order be communicated to the jail.
This copy will be sent to
Deeply.
Next item 10.
Please, my lords. My lords, this is a writ petition for grant of premature release. I have crossed the maximum period of incarceration contemplated on pay.
petition. Why is in the vacations?
My lords, because we haven't been able to, the client is in Bangladesh, my lords. We haven't been able to have physical contact with him.
So how come
That
he's in
is the urgency.
Bangladesh?
He's,
My lords, is
he's been repatriated, my lords.
Been repatriated.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
why are you seeking an SRB?
My lords, because the SRB still considers my amnesty and pardon under the,
Sorry,
under
so
the
he was
agreement.
released on what basis?
He was?
Released on what basis?
My lords, he was repatriated because he's a Bangladeshi national. That
But he's
was
still serving sentence here.
He's still serving sentence now in Bangladesh,
Bangladesh,
but the sentence is taken by this transferor state insofar as the premature release is concerned. So I was still considered in the 2024 meeting
Interesting. So he was serving sentence under Indian law.
under Indian law, my
But
lord.
he's been repatriated to Bangladesh.
And Indian law will apply, my lords,
So what?
according to the agreement between Bangladesh and India. Apart from that, my lords, he's crossed the maximum period of incarceration of 25 years, my lords.
Seeking under the 2004 policy.
2004 policy, my lords, and it's very clearly,
Been fined,
my lords,
for quashing of for setting aside the order dated 4th December 2024, passed by the competent authority, rejecting the dated 4th December or
for December, my lords.
rejecting the plea of premature release, Government Authority / SRB करती. The petitioner is a repatriated convict for offense under section 412, 449, 396 read with 34 IPC and section 27 arms.
My lords, it's only 396 and 411 and 34. That is the final conviction. My lords, may I have the High Court order?
Sentence for offense under sections 396, 411 and read with 34.
34, my lords, please.
And section 27, no,
No, my lords.
that's all. 411, 396, 411 read with 34. In FIR 280/2004, PS Mansarovar Parking, Delhi. Top. The petitioner has currently, as per the counsel for the petitioner, has undergone 20 years, 9 months and 16 days in actual custody and about 25 years including remission. Stop. He seeks premature release basis of Rule 3.1 of the 2004 policy.
But my lords, I have an extra piece 7 because I squarely fall within the policy.
That's okay. We are not issuing notice.
I-
We're not declaring it today. Can we do that? Yes.
My lords, he's asking for a quashing of the order.
Yes, sir.
My lords,
That's okay. 25. Counsel for the petitioner states that he was in jail since 50 years of age. There was a chance of being maintained. So notice. In this regard, as well as full stop copy of the nominal roll be also requisitioned and placed on record. Full stop. Counsel for the petitioner is a repatriated convict. Petitioner is currently in Bangladesh.
My lords, may we have a legal mulaqat with our client in Bangladesh? It's going to be through VC. They have the provision for
Whom
it
do you
removed
apply
for specific.
To the
Please,
jail here.
to the jail there as well as the Ministry of External Affairs here, because under the mutual legal assistance, my lords, it is the Indian authorities which have to facilitate it.
There's no prayer here. What do we do?
My lords, there is an interim application, my lords. We'll have 5. Page number 567.
क्या issue उसमें कर देगा issue notice वो सब हो गया then say list on so and so for the roster bench say criminal MA 5 of 220 application seeks facilitation of legal meeting so how have you received this is legal aid?
My lords, this is, no, my lords, this is through their, his mother and his son.
Full stop.
The
petitioner had received instructions to the family of the petitioner
Yes.
has been unable to organize a meeting with the petitioner.
I've made an
Just-
application which is annexed, P38.
Petitioner. For the petitioner adverts to the mutual legal treaty. नहीं जैसे the SARC Convention on Mutual Assistance in Criminal Matters.
Well, this is
So which-
P40, it's actually the Ministry of Home Affairs which has issued guidelines on mutual legal assistance in criminal
I'm
matters.
reading from your application, so what do I do?
And
As
I'm-
notified. Our Convention on Mutual Assistance in Criminal Matters, to which the Republic of India and the People's Republic of Bangladesh are both parties. Additionally, refers to comprehensive guidelines by the Ministry of External Affairs. And other documents, and other provisions in this regard. Is accepted response by the state for the next state. Let's go for the
20 January 20 before roster bench. Next item 11.
This is criminal MS6. What is 6?
My lords, this is for calling of the minutes because the order has been uploaded, but the minutes have not been uploaded yet, my lord. The order we had to get from another petition, my lord, in fact, which was in the
Criminal
appendix.
MS6 of 2025. This application calls for commutation role and minutes of meeting of the SRB. Documents relied upon. Notice accept.
If this may be allowed, my lords, because my lords will
I
anyway
don't
require.
know if SRB, all minutes and all are to be, the minutes at least should be.
They have to be
My
uploaded,
lords,
my lords,
one
anyway.
second.
Direct-
Let's,
that
in
also.
case the minutes are available with us, we'll place them and we'll supply them a copy also.
My lords may say
A
that.
status report be filed in this regard, full stop. The documents which are supplied to the petitioner in accordance with law will be done so before the next date of hearing. All right.
Next item 11.
The
Malad.
parents
They've got married, my lords.
not married, living
They are
together.
married, my lords, on
They are married.
27th December.
SHO Jamia Nagar.
Yes, my lords. We have already given the numbers of the beat constable. We just received the complaint in the police station, my lord. Just got the
आप
information.
लोग साथ रह रहे हैं?
जी
इंटरफेथ है इसमें,
No, my
नो
lord.
माय लॉर्ड
अब भी परेशान कर। कौन परेशान कर रहा है? Who's threatening? कौन परेशान कर रहा है आप लोग को? आपके फैमिली, आप दिल्ली की रहती हैं और आप भी दिल्ली के हैं और फैमिली आपकी दिल्ली में ही है,
सेम लोकेलिटी
Same locality, my lord.
तो किसको आपको या तो डिस्पोज ऑफ कर देते हैं आपको नंबर्स
My
देकर,
lords, we have already
यार
done.
अगर फादर को बुलाना है तो बुला ले कोर्ट में। बताइए अनिया जी।
अगर कोई डायरेक्शन दे दे कि भाई यू आगे कर
बाकी आपके पास पुलिस के नंबर्स हैं, आप फोन करके रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं अगर कोई थ्रेट कर रहा है, ठीक है? बुलाना है आपके पिताजी को, नहीं बुलाना?
देयर टू रिस्पोंडेंट व्हेन respondent number 2 is from
भाई को
Pakistan.
बुलाना है, किसको बुलाना है? बहुत सारे लोग हैं इसमें, किसी को नहीं बुलाना।
Actually, she detailed this thing to me. That his brother is threatened to get.
No, which is why I'm asking. There are only two solutions to these situations. One is that the protection is given. We don't pass any orders for protection in terms of posting a constable or something.
Actually,
The beat constable can check. The numbers will be given. And either dispose of the matter with those directions. In addition, if you want the family member to come to this court in order for the court to talk to them, so that it stops for the future, that is also possible. We'll issue notice.
well, it should be.
That's why I asked her, but some people don't want the parents to come here.
Actually, she detailed me that her brother threatened her to behead. Actually, wherever, whenever.
तो उनको नोटिस कर देते हैं कौन भाई है।
That is
सोहेल,
respondent number 5.
सोहेल
5 and 6.
किसको किसको बुलाना है? फादर को नहीं बुलाएं, नोटिस किसको इशू करें? बताइए, आपकी मर्जी है। नोटिस इशू हो जाएगा तो फिर नहीं तंग करेंगे, भाई और पापा। All right. Petition has been filed by the petitioners who both major in age,
Yes, my lords.
both major in age, got married with under Muslim rights and customs on
27th
27th.
December.
27th of December 2024. A copy of the Nikah is also attached along with the petition. The petition has been moved for directions to provide protection, police protection to the petitioners, and family members of the petitioner number 2, bracket the husband. Threats are being extended by the family of petitioner number 1, bracket the wife. Bracket closed. Both the petitioners are present in court and state that the extreme threats are being asserted, in particular by the father and the brother of the one. Issue notice to the respondent number 3 and 5. to be present in court on the next date of hearing. Time, numbers of the beat constable, SHO of PS Jamnagar have already been provided to the petitioners for them to contact and of any right. Stop. The returnable on returnable.
3rd February before roster bench.
But can it be added, respondent number 2, is SHO particular, this police
what?
station? Actually, police is threatening and visiting,
Police is threatening police. कुछ नहीं.
police of Haryana actually.
Haryana.
There's some complaint made in Panipat.
So you said everything is in Delhi.
Actually, they are resident in Delhi, and the girl was available at the Panipat when she left the home.
He left the home.
She left the home.
तो अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी तो दिल्ली में है. तो it's okay.
Right, sir.
नोटिस इशू करके क्या करेंगे? वहाँ कंप्लेंट फाइल हुई है इनके अगेंस्ट.
Nothing, my lords. They are just saying in par number 4 that petitioner 1 visited at her maternal grandparents' house situated in Panipat.
SHO is particular, old,
No.
old industrial areas.
Doesn't matter. Is everybody 3 and 5 are in jurisdiction of this court? We call the police from there. Tell her to stay here. आप दिल्ली में रहिएगा, दिल्ली के बाहर मत जाइए. ठीक है? Alright? Okay, we 3rd February को आ जाएंगे. Then आपके father and brother आएंगे.
Before
Okay.
roster bench. Exemption allowed. Next item.
Any problem, you contact the police. Fast and order.
Item
Your
12.
Lordship. Your Lordship, this is writ petition for seeking limited.
You have not appeared for many times.
Your Lordship, the
Last
matter,
time you did not appear. Appearance not
Your Lordship,
given.
matter could not reach.
Appearance not given
Last
on
2 dates.
ever since the start. What do we do?
Your Lordship,
Huh?
very limited prayer is in there to.
No, no, so
Yeah.
vacation code, why should be, this is, you have
Your
not.
Lordship, actually, this matter was listed for yesterday in routine. So there, that's why this matter is.
भाई आप 6 महीने से आपने पैरवी नहीं करी इस मामले की. अब वेकेशन कोड क्यों ध्यान रखे आपका? आप बताइए. 6 महीने से नहीं की है. आपका पहला मैटर लगा था 1 August को.
Your Lordship, matter could not reach.
At request for counsel of the petitioner, re-notify on 7th August. First daughter. That is not, is the court line.
On first date, I was not available. Thereafter, the matter could not.
Then we can't help it, no?
Your Lordship.
If it's a fresh matter and you're not available. 7th August also no appearance was not given. We don't even know if you appeared or not.
Your Lordship,
What do we want to do? We'll re-notify before the roster bench.
your
Just say,
Your Lordship, kindly issue notice at least.
issue notice for what?
Either
What is
you
the matter?
notice
What's the matter?
or Your Lordship, either to dispose of the matter or to issue.
Dispose of.
Your Lordship, this is very limited prayer to the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights to dispose here and dispose of.
You are saying that this child who was, and everything has happened in Noida. Why should we interfere?
Your Lordship, this is National Commission for National Commission.
आप
is-
कहीं से भी आ जाएंगे और यहाँ दिल्ली कोर्ट में आके आप जाइए, इलाहाबाद कोर्ट जाइए, हाई कोर्ट. You are staying at Noida. That incident happened at Noida. You are only an observer of what was happening to the child. We appreciate your concern. Yes, have you filed something before the National State Human Rights Commission? Status of the complaint. आपने कुछ किया है?
Your Lordship, we have filed the.
The Allahabad High Court can do it. We have no jurisdiction in the matter. Just because the authority is here doesn't mean we have jurisdiction over all of India.
Your Lordship.
We don't, sir.
Your Lordship.
How will the National Human Rights Commission is going to look into it and file a report accordingly? We can't issue notice just like that. You tell us, we've read through your file.
Your Lordship, in
The respondents are at Noida. The minor boy was working in Noida.
Your Lordship, the respondent number 1's seat is in Delhi. So
But
that's
what
why
is your
I'm
locus?
discussing.
What is your locus?
Your Lordship, this is criminal matter.
Criminal
this is
matter.
not-
File a complaint before the court, police. What's the problem? How will we do it? I don't understand.
Your Lordship, commission has jurisdiction to take up the.
Sir, if you have a criminal offense, you're alleging something illegal
Yes, Your
detention by a particular employer,
Yes, Your Lordship.
file a complaint under the BNS. What's the problem? You file it. I don't understand. What will we do?
Your
To
Lordship,
withdraw it with the liberty to file a complaint, which before the court, before the police station of competent jurisdiction.
we have already approached. Then they had not heard. Then we
File a
approached.
156(3).
this commission.
Why are you going on the commission? The point, where is your representation of the commission?
Your Lordship, this is it.
Okay, ये आपने कब का है ये?
P1,
31 अगस्त का
page
है
number
ना?
15. Page number 15. P1. Your Lordship.
और आपका इसमें क्या इशू था? आप कैसे इन्वॉल्व थे इसमें?
Your Lordship, the petitioner was employed as a driver with the respondents, where the child was confined. He was child.
But sir,
And
it was in Noida, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
That's the
Yes, Your
problem.
Lordship. Your Lordship, when they
How did he get-
they didn't hear the petitioner oppose the commission, and he wanted that the commission should hear, and Your Lordship, this is in their jurisdiction to hear the complaints regarding any atrocity with any child in all over the India, Your Lordship.
Everybody's in Noida. Just a counsel for the petitioner states that he has filed a complaint dated 31st August 2023 before the National Human Rights Commission.
Sorry,
Which is appended at P1,
Sorry, Your Lordship. This is National Commission for Protection of Child Rights.
National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. It is appended as an extra P1 to this. He will issue direction that they consider and dispose it of.
Yes, Your
All
Lordship.
right.
Highly obliged.
Now, considering that the counsel for the petitioners, Mr. Liberty to stop. This arises, the complaint arises in context of alleged atrocities committed on a minor boy, aged about 16, 17, who was employed by the respondents 3-5, who was employed by respondent number 3 to 5 at the residence in Noida. The petitioner was working as a driver there. And came to its knowledge that the minor boy had been confined since the age of about 9 to 10 years and was brutally assaulted at various occasions. The complaint was filed in this regard for the PRC take steps in CPCR. Notice and steps in this regard. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of in the direction that the PRC, bracket respondent number 1, each petition, the representation, and decide on this and take appropriate action in accordance with full stop. Clarified, this court has not converted to the merits of the matter. Passing the aforesaid directions. But you could place the copy of the petition before the NCPCR period of 1 week.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship. Very highly.
All right.
Disposed
Disposed of. Yes.
Next item 13.
Yes.
Hello, this is an application for interim bail on the ground of the surgery of the wife of the applicant.
You've been already out for Tervi and all.
Exactly.
And it's for mother's demise. He was granted interim bail.
First for the last rights, then for the Tervi.
No, my lord,
Yes.
for both.
Look at the order dated December. Last rights and rituals. Factum of death. These to grant custody parole was given for 4 hours by the Sessions Court.
By the
To attend the
secretary.
cremation,
Yes, ma'am.
then for the Tervi, it was again given by this order for 2 weeks.
Please, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, my lord. And then.
Are you back in custody?
Yes, my lord. He had surrendered.
Now what is it? Now hysterectomy.
Please, my lords. And the doctor has advised
Has
urgent.
already been issued.
That's
Yes,
right.
my lord. Status report.
Status report.
I have received the status report.
Two major sons and two daughters.
Absolutely. Minister.
My lord, in fact,
It
there
didn't happen because overnight. When he was out, it could have been taken care by the husband if he was required at all. So
No, but what
Step
is
by
this
step.
document? This document by Ansari Medical Center
yes, my lord.
needs 2 stages of surgery. First stage surgery, and after the report, EB hysterectomy will be done by the gynecologist. Sorry, hospital. Why would they say that petitioner needs proper attention of the husband?
Because my lord, no responsible person is there in the
No,
family.
I
My
read
lord,
this, I
my
read
lord-
this and it raised my suspicion about this document.
No.
I'll tell you very fairly.
my
You
lord,
know,
I
I read this, no hospital is going to write this.
No, my lord, it has been written only for the reason, my lord, because there is no responsible member in the family and the wife,
The hospital cannot decide it.
but my lord, wife herself
As the
has,
hospital, at best, any responsible hospital or medical person will say requires a attendant. That's all,
please, my lord.
not of the husband. And when you have 2 major sons and 2 daughters,
My lord,
that's
the
not-
daughters are not working and there is
doesn't
only,
matter.
yes, my lord. Earlier also, my
What is
lord,
the case situation of the trial?
my lord, it is on prosecution evidence, material witnesses have been examined and he has been granted interim bail on earlier occasion also, my lord.
But these documents have been verified.
Yes, my lord.
Want to be
look,
genuine.
there is no date of surgery. So
There's no date of surgery.
No, my lord, the doctor has written immediate surgery. The
First
patient
stage
is
surgery, and after the report,
immediate, my lords, I have annexed along with my application.
30th December.
Yes, my lord, before 30th of December, the doctor had said so because it needs immediate, the wife of the applicant needs immediate.
Material witnesses have been examined.
material. Only 2 eyewitnesses have been examined so far.
Rest. Where is the order? This is the interim bail. This is the regular bail.
No, this is interim.
No. But the main application is regular bail, no?
The material witness.
Where is the order? Left. Total of 28 witnesses. The trial 7 have been examined. 3 material, 2 have been examined. 1 witness. In July, the court noted that 1 witness, material witness, had to be examined. Must have been examined.
Dipanshu, who is an eyewitness, not been examined. So
Not examined.
no, that's a different thing. What my lord is asking you, answer that. Whether he has been examined or not. Be on back. Plus, we are at a very crucial stage. Plus,
When is it listed for the cross examination?
Plus, may I submit
Record नहीं है.
28th of February.
8th of February.
That's right. Yes. Plus, may I submit one thing? Because he was out for 15 days when the stabbing of mother was taking place. So this the lady could have easily gone for this surgery if she was actually in pain or required such thing. Now these being created as a ground, because your lordship, madam, please, lordship would appreciate. Now these have been created as a ground to come out from the jail after every 15 or 20 days. In a serious case of 302, because where we are under cross-examination of an eyewitness. Moreover, there are 4 adult members in the family. Lordship would consider this. And on top of it, as you rightly pointed out by my lords, plus the hospital is writing husband. These things can.
What we'll do is once the surgery is, you get the date of the surgery, you indicate to the court at that stage and we'll see it. करवा ले सर्जरी, हस्बैंड के बिना भी तो सर्जरी हो जाएगी. We can't help it. It's a 302 matter. Last time you also only got custody parole. Para 6 of 5th December order said no specific information, pending threats. Let's say criminal and bail, triple of 2024. Post notice, person to notice for this quarter 27 December 2024. Application for interim bail. Status report has been filed. To stop, as per the status report, the medical documents filed by the petitioner have been verified and were found to be genuine. Stop. However, it is stated in the status report that no date is fixed for any type of surgery. Stop. It is further stated that 2 major sons and 2 daughters present in the house of the petitioner can provide assistance to the wife of the petitioner during the treatment. So all the children are major in age. Major in age. That means the date of the surgery is 30th December. Medical record 29th December 2024 has been advised surgery on 30th December. Full stop. However, counsel for the petitioner states that the surgery has yet not been conducted. And when is it scheduled? And they will take steps to schedule the surgery within the next 1 week. Within the next 1 week. Full stop. In circumstances, the petitioner is granted interim bail for a period of 10 days. For a period of 10 days in order so that surgery is conducted. So, full documents of discharge filed by the petition and placed out of this court. All right.
And no extension would be granted. Because the difficulty, what I perceive as of today, he will come out and he'll say, I could not arrange the money, now you extended. And
Considering that earlier, first up, no further extension. Then we'll give it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks for the extension. All right.
So there is only a date of 27 January.
For what?
regular bail.
For the regular bail.
Yes.
The regular bail, the
List on
it is
27
the
January.
main petition for regular bail is already listed before this for the roster bench on
27th January.
same day.
Plus only one submission if you want
Yes.
to make consider record.
Yes.
Trial is at very crucial stage.
Yes, learned APP points out that the trial is at a crucial stage and the last of the material witnesses has to be stated for cross-examination 28th of February 2025. के बाद देखिए मैं no further extensions.
So great.
Sorry? Bail bonds, I'll put it. हाँ, trial code ही होता है हाँ? हाँ वो तो आता ही है आपका. That comes in anyway.
Next item 14.
Seeking interim for 6 weeks in a 302 matter.
What are you seeking for? 6 weeks for what?
Ill health of the mother, my lord, she's suffering from fibroids.
What are the stage
That
of
is
the
what
trial?
she has complained of, my lord.
Stage of the trial?
Stage in trial is, my lords, 4 eyewitnesses have been examined, my lords. His role is that he's the one who had shot. His regular bail is coming up on 5th of February. He's otherwise a career criminal. The mother needs constant care as per his own case. Because if she needs constant care, that might make for a good.
Hypothyroid and hypertension. 70% of people in the court have it. No, nothing. What is this? Nothing. There's nothing there. Presented with the. I have to see that. That's okay. These are all right. Nothing there in the matter. There's nothing there, sir. We've seen the status report. What else are we supposed to do? Hypothyroidism and hypertension, complaints of blood in the urine, generalized weakness. There must be family members.
Has been verified by me.
Where does it say?
Because that status report is not on.
But I can show it from the bail order.
No, the trial is still on.
Yes.
I have not got all the material.
He has 5 other involvements. Every time he comes out, he does the same.
No.
Where is the nominal rule?
Because that is not on.
This is the application is for interim bail. The main regular bail is there. No. There's nothing, no serious situations. All right. We'll place it. Then we'll see your involvements. We'll see. Just say nothing serious.
Next February is the next day.
That is admission that.
Doctor doesn't say that if my lord will have a status report.
Lordship have the initial.
Well, 1 second.
Yes. Yes. This is your mother. Your father is not there.
No, my lords, he's not there, and we have recorded the statement of the doctor. She's 53 years old, my lords. The doctor says she has been advised markup and appropriate and supportive management. So there is no surgery or anything which has to take place. Just simply because she needs a gynecological opinion, my lord, he can't be enlarged on regular on interim.
We can't. Sorry. No, we are not granting. Want to keep it pending? You can argue it another day. Today we are not granting.
5th February is the next day.
It is for a court.
Where is the surgery, sir? Where is the flimsy documentation? You're a 302 criminal, offender. The point is, this we can't keep releasing you on this basis. Your regular bail is already before the court. So we'll find the court will consider it. You argue the relevant.
Eyewitnesses have
I don't grant you, so we don't
Not
consider.
coming
All
back,
right.
my lords. That's the
Petition. This there is this
I have been involved in.
interim bill is not for the asking. It has to be given on a reason. Pursuant to the
That's
previous
fine.
order of 30th December 2024, granting issuing notice, the status report has been filed. As per the status report, even though the medical documents have been verified and found genuine, it is stated that it is a case of hypothyroidism and hypertension, and the mother of the petitioner presented herself with complaints of blood in the urine, generalized weakness, fever, and easy fatigability for 1 month duration. She has been advised for supportive management and workup and gynecological opinion. Stop. The learned APP further states on instructions that the petitioner is involved in various other matters. The trial is still going on. Stop. In this view, the nominal role be requisition is based on record. Additional status report be verifying the status of the members of the family. The petitioner. January में लगा चला. January
Then 5th
before the roster bench.
February.
नहीं interim bill के लगा.
All right.
Just place it 10th, 11th को लगा.
All right. So 10th January.
So we'll verify the status of the family members and please.
No, we are not.
Regular basis itself based on record.
Let it be before the roster bench. There's nothing urgent.
10th of January.
10th January roster bench.
I'm obliged.
Status report and exemption allowed.
It's a September nominal rule. Let it come now.
ये वापस कीजिए.
All right.
10th January before roster bench exemption allowed. Next item 15.
My lord,
I'm illiterate, poor tailor, my lordship. I used
Is
to.
your sentence suspended till when by the appellate court? His appeal has been dismissed as well.
Yes, my lordship, I'm ready to deposit 50% of the amount in the court itself, my
What
today
is
in
the
the
amount?
due course of the total amount is 1.94.
1.94.
Ji. I have already
How much
paid
has
20.
been deposited? 20%.
No, 20. I've already deposited before the.
Appellate court.
Yes, my lordship. I'm ready to deposit 50% more in the court, my lordship. Let the sentence be suspended.
Sentence, he is in custody.
Yes, for the last 18 days, my lordship.
Sorry.
For the last 18 days in the judicial custody.
Deposit the balance amount.
My lordship, I've got a very good case in the merits, my lordship.
Oh, you'll see that it's a 138 matter.
So I just want that this order may kindly be stayed and my money back so that I can fight it before the court, because my defense and witness were also not taken into
You've
consideration.
gone through the MM's order and the appellate order. You don't stand a chance.
My lordship,
You know,
kindly
this,
see the argument.
This re-agitation of 138 matters, we completely disagree with.
No, my lordship,
This is-
kindly bear with me.
You want us to dismiss it? We can dismiss your revision petition straight away.
My lordship, my defense evidence
We have
was
seen your
cut off.
defense.
I have
You
not
have
been
not-
able to lead
On
any
the issue of
evidence.
supply, the 2 rounds of litigation you have gone through.
And second, and in the case
So
of
if
the
you
appellant,
argue, we will hear you and we'll dismiss it.
kindly bear with me, only for 5. I
You
want
tell us
more than
about the
5 minutes.
deposit. You tell us the money has to be deposited.
I am ready to
You are in
deposit
a revision,
50%.
you are in a revision, no, not 50%, you deposit the rest of the amount here. Because we can't have the complainant run around the courts for
Because the
2 years.
complaint has not appeared on the first date of
Doesn't
hearing.
matter,
When
you're
it was
depositing it before
already
the court.
served.
You're depositing it before the court, you deposit it, we'll release you. How
Sir, I am
20%?
ready to deposit 1 lakh rupees, my lordship, and already I have deposited 20,000 rupees, my lord.
20,000 you deposit, so 1.7 is left.
Yes, out of that I will deposit 1 lakh rupees, my lordship, because I am a very poor person. I am a simply tailor master, my lordship. I used to stitch a clothes.
Maybe, I understand.
Give me 1 month time, my lordship. Within 1 month, I will definitely deposit the amount.
1 lakh you deposit.
Yes, my lord. I will deposit in due course of
Just
the.
say pursuant to the previous orders, the respondent number 2 has been served. Counsel for respondent number 2 appears. Full stop. The petitioner seeks suspension of sentence during the pendency of this petition. The petitioner was convicted in proceedings under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act in CC number 12147 of 2018 by order dated 27th October 2022 and 1st November 2020. The appeal against the said order was dismissed by the ASJ on 17 December 2020. There was a settlement also.
Yes, my lord. 194 was a settlement, my lord.
Then
And that money I could not be, because I was suffering from this COVID, my lordship. I could not have money.
now you,
Out
you
of
agreed-
that,
you
I
agreed
was.
to pay this amount.
Yes, my lordship. Kindly see the.
2.14 you agreed to pay.
Yes, kindly.
You're not in, sorry.
Kindly see the proceedings of 4th of December.
First
I
installment.
had taken 50,000
First
rupees with me. I was paying it to the respondent. And he
3rd
did not
August
accept it.
20, Sir Counsel, 3rd August 2023, Delhi Mediation Center के सामने आपका settlement हुआ.
Yes, my lord.
COVID was nowhere in the picture that time.
And that time it was not
You
there.
agreed to a consensual settlement of 2.14, correct? Out of which 20,000 have been only deposited by you before the appellate court.
Yes, my lord.
So what do we say? You have obviously not complied with your own settlement.
No, minister, was not like that, because
Sorry.
I am ready to
deposit more money.
1 lakh rupees. I'll deposit today itself,
No,
my
no,
lordship. During
1
the
lakh
course
and
of
the rest to deposit. You comply with the settlement. That's not fair. People agree to settlements on the basis that you will agree.
Kindly give me some time. Today I will deposit 1
Just
lakh
wait.
rupees. Rest of time I want at least a month, my lordship. Within 1 month I'll deposit the whole amount.
Of course, you are in custody, so therefore you will deposit.
I already suffered a custody of 18 days, my
That
lord.
doesn't matter.
My lord, say all the maids also
Can I
have got
pass an order?
Please,
Can I pass an order or not? In your favor, we are passing an order.
please, my lord.
The settlement was arrived at before the Delhi Mediation Center on 3rd August 2023. It is appended as an extra R6 to the petition. Full stop. As per the said settlement, the petitioner had agreed to pay rupees 2,14,000 to the respondent in 2 installments, i.e. I.E. rupees 1 lakh on or before 25th October 2023 and rupees 1,14,000 on or before 15 February 2020. Stop. was further mentioned in the settlement that in case of default, the appellant will be liable to pay the same with interest at the rate of 12% per annum for the delayed period. It's a matter of record that the said settlement has not been complied with. The counsel for the petitioner states that they could not comply with the settlement due to financial constraints. He further undertakes on behalf of the petitioner, who's petitioner, bracket में लिखना petitioner's wife,
Yes, ma'am.
wife Miss
Bubbly
Bubbly Devi is present in court, bracket closed, that an amount of rupees 1 lakh will be deposited before the registry of this court to be kept in an interest-bearing fixed deposit within the bracket to be kept in an interest-bearing fixed deposit, bracket closed, within the course of the day. Full stop. Amount of rupees 20,000 has been deposited before the trial court, before the appellate court. Appellate court, stop. Of the same, the amount of rupees 1 lakh.
More.
1 lakh, not 2. The installment of the balance amount from 2.14 lakhs will be deposited
Minimum.
within 1 month thereafter.
Totally.
All right. उसका amount होगा 94,000. 94,000. Subject to the said deposit made, the sentence of the next date of hearing. And keep this pending. And the petition be notified before the roster bench. Mid-February में कर लीजिए.
17 February, before roster bench.
Highly obliged. Thank you.
Grateful, my lord.
Next item 16 and 17 are already over. Now item 18.
I'm appearing in item 18 for the respondent side for the GNCTT. My lords, this matter, it's basically dealing with the COVID death compensation.
Yeah,
It's
this
in the-
matter has been listed. I mean, it's not an urgent.
Well, I am a proxy.
My lords,
counsel.
it's
This
not
has
an
been
urgent. My
listed
lords,
by
may
mistake.
go before the roster bench only.
Counsel for the petitioner appears for the petitioner.
Well, can I make a small
Mr.
submission?
Mayak Nakra, ASC appears for the respondent. For one, full stop.
Well, the respondents have not filed their reply. They have been given
My
opportunity.
lords, we can directly argue the matter. My lords, we need not file the reply.
Lordships, respondent number 2 have filed their reply.
We have not received a copy.
Let's say, appears for respondent number 1, Government of NCT of Delhi. Counsel also appears for respondent number 2. The report is apparent that replies have not been filed by both the respondents. Counsel for respondent number 2 states they have filed the response. However, it is not on record. The respondent number 2 shall supply a copy of the response, if so filed, to counsel for the petitioner within a week from today. Respondent number 1 should also file the response
My
for the
lord.
next date of hearing with copies to the opposing side. Copies to the counsel for the petition. All right, very noted.
This month?
February में दे दी.
All right.
All right.
17 February.
Grateful, my lord.
Next item 19.
Yes.
My lords, I am appearing.
Inadvertently, perhaps this matter got listed before this honorable court in vacation.
All right.
Please,
Because this is a regular matter.
For the
They have
insolvency.
to file their reply.
A request for counsel for the parties. List before the roster bench on once.
All right. February.
February.
All right. 17 February, before roster bench.
Grateful, my lords.
Next item 20 already over. Now item 21.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
This writ can be disposed of. File, my lords, for reduction of the PG percentile has already.
It's been approved.
Because nothing survives in this matter.
So now they will
And the
from you or Is there anything on
There
file
is
on
no
record?
notification.
Application is not out, my lord. There's nothing in writing. My learned friend is
I have oral
giving,
instructions, my lord.
he has oral instructions.
I have oral instructions and
Fine. Just say, pursuant to the previous order of 30th December 2024, counsel for the respondent states that the file for that the decision for relaxing the existing percentile has been taken by the competent authority and has been approved.
yes,
Full stop. The percentile having been reduced for issues of admission to the concerned medical courses. To which courses are there?
MD, MS, DNB.
For the MD, MS,
DNB.
MD/MS/DNB courses.
Yes.
For NEET-PG counseling 2024. Among the counsel for the petitioner states that their grievance stands addressed. Full stop. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of, taking note of the statement made by counsel for the respondent. You're not withdrawing, letting you withdraw it. It's okay. Or dismissed as withdrawn.
Dispose, my lord, dispose.
All right.
Disposed of. Next item 22,